Before we start, if you would like to have a sneak peek on the list, check out the description below. Today, let's take a look at the best 5 fuel and gas cans. 20-liter gasoline tanks for European military spec bags the 5th position on our list today. This metal Jerrican is European NATO style with military specification design and is the preferred way to store and transport non-potable water. Its tough metal body makes it extra durable, and the finish means you never have to worry about corrosion. It is perfect for use on the road or outdoor activities such as camping or boating. At number 4, we have the Scepter 05088 Gas Oil Combo Can. This Scepter gas oil can is a convenient all-in-one solution. It provides dual reservoirs for fuel oil mixture, 1.5 gallon, and bar and chain oil, 2 3/4 quarts, 84 ounces. It includes child-resistant spout with automatic shutoff and overflow protection. This product is lightweight, dent-resistant, rust-proof, and is made of non-corroding polyethylene. The number 3 product on the list today is the Wavian Authentic NATO Jerry Fuel Can. These 5.3 gallon leak-proof cans come directly from Wavian and are the highest quality fuel cans on the market today. Rigorously tested, they boast some features including 0.9mm steel walls, an interior rust-proof Resol lining, internal breather pipe for splash-proof pouring, a 3-handle configuration for easy carrying, a leak-proof bayonet closure, and a locking pin for the cap. Up next at number 2, we have the SureCan Fuel Cans Feed Your Machines. The award-winning SureCan is perfect for those bigger machines. It features patented technology and hand grips at the bottom that help you support the weight even easier. The flexible spout rotates down more than 180 degrees and fits perfectly into any machine's fill location, while the thumb release trigger on top controls the flow. No more bending over and tipping your fuel can forward and holding it in an awkward position for you. The SureCan is a high-quality fuel dispensing machine. And the VP 5-gallon square blue racing fuel jug claims the 1st position on our list. To the unfamiliar eyes, this may look like a typical fuel jug, but do not let the looks deceive you, as this jug has much to offer, both in design and performance. It is made of a tough plastic material that renders it durable and corrosion-free. The exterior is calibrated to provide accurate measurement and excellent monitoring of the fuel level. The jug comes with a filler hose to provide a mess-free operation. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!